to another Designer's Den. I'm Kelsey, here with Stacy at our Firestone location, and we're going to continue our series on rustic and modern. Excuse me.
Goodness, Kels.
So we're going to break it down in our bedroom setting, and let's talk about this bed.
Kelsey, when we got this bed in, I fell in love with it. It's an upholstered headboard with a very edgy look. It's got this rustic wood on the ends, just an open grain wood, just pops. It just says rustic, modern.
Love the style,
yes.
Absolutely, and it is trending right now. We are seeing this type of look in so many different settings, and it is styled perfectly here as well. So some of these accent pieces on here are, again, blending both of those styles together.
A lot of modern, a lot of rustic. I love how we put everything on here with different textures. We've got the cowhide we're using as kind of a throw. The Sherpa comforter we just got in, love it. Lots of textured pillows.
Again, kind of a monochromatic color pattern as well, with kind of our muted colors, but still you have these little pops here with our extra colors.
Another element to bring into the room, some silver, and then we've got the pewter on the pulls here. Just looks great. And it's a floating bed. Floating beds are really on trend too. I mean, we've been seeing them everywhere. They just kind of look very, very simple, very sleek, modern.
Loving that. So also bringing in our symmetry, we have a little bit of symmetry in this bedroom setting as well with our nightstands on either side. So again, rule of thumb, if you cut the room in half, it's kind of that mirrored image. So symmetry is going to be the same on both sides, but if that doesn't work for your space, you could go an asymmetric route as well with maybe just doing one nightstand.
Or doing two different nightstands.
Or two different nightstands, absolutely. Also, maybe bringing in a seating area in the bedroom would be a great, just for extra seating, putting on your shoes or anything like that. But this ties in really well too because it has that upholstered back with the rustic and the wood arms, but very simple and clean lined. And then also this rug.
Love this rug.
Love. Again, you were talking about texture, but very simple. Again, monochromatic, still has little tassels, and ties in with a little bit more of that rustic side of this style. So again, we would love to hear about what your styles are. Do you like rustic? Do you like modern? Or do you like rustic modern?
Or mystic modern.
Or mustic modern. Yes, absolutely. So we'd love to hear any of your comments and drop those below, and we will see you next time on Designer's Den.
Thanks.
Bye.